Hello everybody, Mike here. So I have the Wyze Pan Cam and then I have the Kasa. I decided to swap out the Wyze for the Kasa one. This is my second Kasa Pan Cam. As you can see with the Wyze, not the greatest as far as like how it's built. Like you see like the cord comes out easily. It's like a USB, right? And sometimes when it loses power, it comes back on, it starts spinning, and then that cord like pops out easily. So I don't really like how that's set up. So I'm just gonna pop out the SD card. So both do record continuously. So that's nice. So like we pop out the SD card, and actually is the Wyze. And I like how the Kasa, you just slide it up. It's kind of hidden, the slot where you put in the SD card. And there it is. Popped it in. So I'll go to the Kasa app to set up this camera. So you add device, you're gonna do cameras, spot, pan, tilt. Next, as you can see, got the lights blinking orange and green. Check the SD light, we're good. Go to your Wi-Fi, do the Kasa Cam, and then it's connecting. Very simple. As you can see, it's connected. Alexa, so I just named the device garage cam, where it's going to be outside. And you can save. You can enable notifications to your liking. Like I said, it does have the 24/7 recording, SD card. You don't have to subscribe to anything if you have the SD card. Like, and once it runs out of storage, it'll just rewrite over. So now we're formatting the SD card. It's a new card in this Kasa camera. And there it is. A few seconds, really. And it's all set up. There's the camera. It's got a solid green. That means it's on. You can flip the camera on and off. You can have a schedule also to when you want it on. It's got the night vision. Video quality on this one is the highest is 1080p. Does not have the 4K or 2K, but the 1080p, it's all right. And there's some of the features that it has. Like I said, I like that you can turn it on and off through the app. Like when I flipped it off, you just see the green light is not showing. Also, in the Alexa app, you can set a routine to turn it on and off. So that's nice. It's like the privacy mode. You can add a few things. I love the routines in the app. Very nice. So also in the Kasa app, like I mentioned, you can do a schedule as well, where you have it turned on and off. There might be times where you don't want it running, especially if it's in the house. You may not want it running 24/7. That's one of the reasons why I swapped it out from the Wyze. There it is. Very nice, very highly rated camera.